Vlogmas snuck up on me like you wouldn't believe. All of a sudden it was like, Vlogmas. I'm like, oh my God, it's here. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? It is December 1st, and what does that mean? Vlogmas. Well, you know, I just filmed this whole Vlogmas video, and the file got corrupted. So I said, okay, this is turning into a vlog mess, not Vlogmas. So I decided to let you guys in on a little behind the scenes of this vlog mess and introduce to you some sneak peeks of the things that you'll be seeing in the coming month. So without further ado, let's see what I've been up to. No, these are not finished pieces. You're not gonna cheat. You're not gonna cheat. Spoon project. This is one of my favorite. This is gonna be one of my favorite projects because I have been looking for a way to do this, and I found it. And I have to give credit to where credit is due. Thank you, ACoastalMagnolia. If you guys have not checked out her channel, she is amazing. And I got some of the ideas from her, but let's spin it my way. So shout out to ACoastalMagnolia. You rock, girl. I watch you all the time. Thank you so much. If you guys have not heard of her, go check her out. You will not regret it, especially if you love the beach. We have coasters and trays. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from the Dollar Tree. And I'll give you a little peek of what this involves. Yes. But guys, if you're working with resin, before you even open the resin bottle, do yourself a favor and get yourself one of these masks. It's important to be creative, but it's more important to be safe. And I have, what are we doing with these? I don't know, I'm not gonna tell you. You're just gonna have to watch. I have this. This is my pour project, my pour paint project. No, it's not finished. And after the pour project, I ended up with this. I know, what are we gonna do with this, right? Well, I'll show you. I don't know if you guys can see it. We're making jewelry, y'all. So I actually have on one of the pieces that I made. Isn't that pretty? I'm gonna teach you how to do that. The hourglass, well, the minute glass project. No, they're not finished. I'm not gonna show you the finished project. I'll just show you what I've been working on. You're just gonna have to watch. We have our candy cane candle in our cute little red container. Isn't it cute, the way it swirls around? Peppermint. That would have been funny. I would have been in traction. We would have been doing Vlogmas from the hospital, but. So then we have these cute little guys. From the Dollar Tree, they light up. And these cute little trinket boxes, also from the Dollar Tree. So since I mentioned the ACoastalMagnolia, this is another one of her things that she does. She does it with beautiful things from the ocean and crushed bottles. I thought about this for days because, you know, I love the beach. I love the beach, but I live in the mountains. So what was I gonna do? I couldn't duplicate the project. So I said, you know what? I'm not gonna copy her, but I'm going to be inspired by her and use what I have around me, and that is the woods. So I did something like this. I will teach you how to make that. But go check her out because she is the inspiration for it, and I have to give her the credit. But how cool is that? Using my own elements. Then, talk about using my own elements. I had way too many Amazon boxes. So I did this. Yep, These are cut up cardboard pieces from my Amazon boxes. Then I had all kinds of screws and chains and, you know, little jewelry pieces hanging around. And I decided that I'm going to do something with this. Well, there's screws and nuts and bolts and chains and little pretty doodads. And let's see what we come up with using those elements. Because you know I'm all about the trash art. And then we have these. We have little canvases, bigger canvases, black canvases. Again, you're gonna have to wait and see what we come up with. Then I have this, which is what I like to call leftovers. This is a Halloween mesh. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. A party tray. Another like candy dish, some ghosts. And I have some spider trays, a spider web tray. So I don't know, let's see what we come up with this. I have tins, star tins, heart tins, corrugated tins, Tin City. I have these trees. I think they're trees. But I took the dreaming part off of it because, you know, I have to make this look different. So yeah, I have a lot of other fun things, but those involve molds and more molds and more molds. So yeah, what am I gonna do all this Vlogmas? I don't know, you're gonna have to stay tuned. So then we're not just doing this. On top of this, you know, there's 25 days of Vlogmas, right? So on top of this, there's going to be a follow-up video on what we can do to bring this on to the digital marketing space. And that's what I'm most excited about. I have the most amazing coach with the most amazing course known to man. She is what really put the fire under me to get this going and expand it beyond my wildest dreams. I'm gonna link her course down below. It does not hurt to check it out, guys. Do yourself a favor. If you wanna make multiple streams of income, she's my inspiration. She's been my muse. I have taken her information, applied it myself, and have branched off into every category in the universe. I think there is a space for you. Check her out. You will thank me later. So yeah, that's my Vlogmas. So, you know, I'm gonna see you tomorrow because there's a video for every day. So let's see how that goes. If you guys like the content, if you like my energy, please like and subscribe. And what is my favorite thing? Comment down below because you know I love the comments. You know, guys, we are growing daily. I am so happy for my tribe. I am so grateful for all of you guys. You guys keep me going. I do this for you. Thank you so much for all of your support and your kind words. I look forward to coming here every day and talking to you, even though I can't see you. I know that you guys are out there and I'm so appreciative of each and every one of you. So yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for probably the official start of Vlogmas after I deal with this Vlogmas. So, oh, if you guys like my music, check out illfreeze. He's the best producer ever. He makes all of my music. He really makes my videos come to life. I have fun watching them. A lot of my family has fun watching them. I've gotten a great reaction. So if you need music for your YouTube, I'm gonna link him down below as well. So yeah, that's about it. I'm sorry guys, I'm a little hyped up. I'm on my 3rd cup of coffee and I think I'm gonna go get another one because it's going to be a long day. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace.